All right, what's going on YouTube? It's Rainey, and I guess this is a quick product review. I guess I know if you guys follow me on social media, you guys know that about a month and a half ago I purchased the Microsoft Surface Go, and I kept saying I'm gonna do a review, I'm gonna do a review, I'm gonna do a review. So like now I finally actually do have time to do a review. So I guess I'm gonna speak on this from a photographer's point of view. The reason why I seriously bought this thing was because like it was small, it's compact, and then it's just like it's a Windows device, and like I do literally everything on a Mac computer, but it's just like I spend a lot of time in cars because I'm always on the road, I'm always like in an Uber, I'm always traveling or doing something, so I'm always in cars, and it's just like damn, like I want to be able to just kind of be able to edit on the go. And like, of course, I could have just whipped out my laptop in the back of the car, but it's just like, my Mac is kind of big and it kind of take up space. So it's like with the Mac, plus I have my hard drives and everything hooked up to it, it kind of take up space. And then it's an older Mac. I've had it for a minute, meaning the battery life on it isn't really all that great. And, it gets hot. So I was just like, I want something cool. I needed an excuse. So like I wanted a cooler laptop, and I saw the Surface Pro, and I was just like, damn, like, the fact that it's a laptop and a tablet, I was like, that's hard to me, and I just kind of always wanted one. And it wasn't until recently, I think, like literally probably like a full month ago or 2 months ago, I saw a video. I typed in Microsoft Surface, and I seen they had dropped a new one, and it was this one, and the price on it was like $399. I was like, oh shit, hold up, I got some $399. But of course, for everything that I needed to do, I had to get the updated like I think it was $5.99 version or whatever. But I'm finna go ahead and do a review on it. So I'm looking at it from so again, I'm speaking on this from a photographer point of view. So this is basically what it is. When you buy it, you just get a screen. You basically get a tablet. That's literally all it is. But of course, I purchased the pen. Click everywhere, do whatever, you pull up the keyboard. But I also bought a keyboard as well. I don't have it attached right now because I kind of want to show off the cool features. So I didn't buy another laptop. I bought it specifically, to be able to do what I need to do on the go. I do have a portable hard drive hooked up to it. And how I transfer it is, I show a picture because I don't want to unhook it. But right here it's a cable, and it's pretty much an adapter. So I have my SD card hooked up to it. I have the portable hard drive hooked up to it, and then I also have a mouse hooked up. So I do have this slightly mounted on the back of my hard drive. It's actually Velcro, so it's Velcro on the back of my Surface Go. So I just attach it up under there. So like literally, I just stand around and walk. I literally just stand around and walk. With my whole desktop in my hand. So that's just a dope feature for me. So yeah. Pretty much, of course, as soon as I got it, I opened it up, did what I need to do. But like mainly, I bought it for photography, and literally that's it. So I have a session pulled up here. I shot this on my Canon 7D. It was actually a recent shoot that I actually just had. I actually can't even remember his name, but like y'all gonna get to know his face really, really soon. He's he's coming up on the upcoming season of Love and Hip Hop. So we actually did like a 3 outfit thing. We basically did his press run. I'm waiting on them to send back the edits. Well, the ones that want me to edit, but I did see a couple in my head that I wanted to, yeah, like this one right here. I definitely wanted to mess with because I was just like, yeah, ladies, eat that up. So again, everything is touchscreen. Like literally, it's the idea. Like this is why this device confuses me so much, because literally, like it throws me off because I have to remind myself, like, damn, this really is a computer. It's like, damn, like I'm really photoshopping it, doing shit on a computer. Like that's really what kind of was throwing me off. So it's just like once it took, I ain't gonna lie, it took me a minute to get adjusted to it. You can do everything touchscreen, but you can do it with the pen as well. Or you can kind of alternate, you can kind of use both. Or for me personally, like if I'm just really just trying to lock it in, that's why I got the mouse over here. It's just way faster. But it honestly just depends on the mood I'm in. Like literally. Like I put this on everything. Like I got, you can Photoshop. Oh here, hold on. I'm gonna stop everything I'm doing just to literally show y'all this shit right fast. Where my recycle bin at? Yeah, like literally, you can. This is what I do when when I'm just bored, bro. Like when I'm bored and I just really want to relax. This is seriously what I do. This is what makes this. This is what it's really like. This is like everyday device for me because it's my attention span, bro. I have a really, really short attention span, and this has enough features on it to where it satisfies everything. So basically, you just pull up, file, open. This is perfect for kids too. Like I'm gonna let that open up. Give that a second. Not gonna lie, it is not the fastest computer in the world. And normally it does not move that slow. It's trying to flex for y'all because y'all watching me doing a review. But literally, like, dog, like this is just crazy. Like if you got kids or whatever, like you just touch screen or whatever, get your little color, and then like you can just literally just sit there and just color. Oh shit, hold up. You come over here to your brother. You literally just sit over here and just color. Yeah. So like when I thought about that feature, I'm like, oh shit. So like literally, if you ever just see me in like a nerd state, like if it just look like I'm over there zoned out, I'm probably really just color. But I just thought that was a very, very cool feature. Like I'm like, well, I'm really on Photoshop. But anyway, back to what we had going on. So back to my review. It's not the fastest computer ever. Like it's not really because honestly, like the day I was trying to actually buy the Surface Go, literally the people in Best Buy were telling me like, you know, what are you using it for? And I was just like, you know, I'm doing it for photography. I'm trying to do it on the go, blah blah blah. They was just like, nah, it's not gonna work for you. Like you need to go get blah blah blah. And I'm just like, oh, okay. But I'm like, I really like they like I promise y'all they was really trying to talk me out of buying this shit. But it was just like I had already done my research. Like that's the thing about me. Like if I'm getting ready to spend a bunch of money on something, like I have already researched it. Like there's nothing you can really tell me at that point. Like I'm covered in this hole to buy. Like for real. Like at this point, I'm covered in here to buy. Yeah, I kind of like this. I'm gonna pull the orange back just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. So it just kind of irritated me that they was like even, you know, that they was even trying to talk me out of it. I'm like, bruh. So anyway, by the time, so basically I got like the $500 model. I think I want to say it's $599, bro. But I ended up getting that model because you know I needed the space, and you know as a photographer, like there's no such thing as too much space. Like you want to have as much space as possible because boy, I shoot so many photos, bro. Like it's ridiculous. So I just pulled it up in the Photoshop just to kind of show you, you know, how you can really just kind of go crazy on this. So I'm gonna go full blown, you know, hands mode here. So really, you just zoom in, you know, do what you got to do, and then you just come over here. It's the same way as like it's basically turned into like a Wacom tablet or something, bro. Like it's crazy. Like you just at this point, you just drawing over the shit, doing what you need to do, and it's actually way faster. It's actually way faster. Doing it this way, it's like wow, bro. Like this really is a powerful device. Like if you using it for you know what you need to do, like it's powerful. Like when I say it's powerful, like bro, like it's a fucking tablet, bro. And at the same time, like this is a tablet which is capable of literally fucking retouching photos. Like, bro, it's crazy, and it's fast. Like when I say it's a slow device, like I meant like, yo, you ain't finna edit no videos, and you ain't finna, you know, you're not finna do like a full blown music video production on there. But what you can do is you can sit here, you can edit some photos. Like, please don't let you know people at Best Buy tell you otherwise, bro. If you a photographer on a budget, like hell yeah, hell yeah. What you talking about? All you need is two programs anyway. All you need is two. All you need is Photoshop and Lightroom. Damn, come on now. And these are the two programs. Like, yeah, it's possible. You can damn sure retouch on this. So totally, like my kit total was like $750 because, like I said, I bought the pen, I bought the keyboard, I bought a mouse, and like you know, I could have got it way cheaper on Amazon. Like for real, like I paid $750. I think I had added up like I could have saved like $85 off everything if I had to just bought it off Amazon. But you know, I was just impatient, bro. Like I was supposed to be doing something else that day, and I was low key mad that it got canceled. So I just used that as an excuse. I'm like, shit, well, since I'm out, I'm finna go ahead and buy my I'm like, since I'm on this side of town, I'm just go check it out. Walked in there to check it out and I ended up buying it. And you know, you don't have to have a keyboard. Like I said, it's a whole keyboard down here. And the same way, it's just like you just send it back to what's the control is? Yes, control is. You just send it back in the Lightroom. So it just saved. Then you go back in the Lightroom. And then there go my edit, bro. So that's pretty much my review on this, bro. Like I said, it's the same way. You can either touch screen everything, or you just go like me. I'm probably just go back to my mouse like I just did. It's way faster. I can click through everything, change colors, and then you know go to File, Export. You know you can still name it, do whatever. Put it on my desktop just so I can post it real fast, and then change the quality. It's quality good. Bam, export. So that's pretty much my review on this device. Like, from a photographer's perspective, here's the mouse I use. Like, it ain't nothing fancy. Like a little quick Logitech. I think it was like $20, if that, because I doubt I would pay $20 for a mouse. Now it's like 13 from Target. um, Damn, let me see if I can unhook this. Hold on, yeah, I'm gonna unhook the actual hard drive. I'm gonna unhook this hard drive just so y'all can kind of see how my setup really looks. There we go. That's what I mean by it's like kind of slow. Like sometimes I just take this shit a minute. I be like, man, come on. This is what I mean by it's slow. Like I'm just real impatient. All right, so cool. I'm just unplug the whole thing. So this is kind of like my setup. This is it right here. So this piece right here goes into like this. It's actually like, what is it? The USB micro, whatever. Like whatever that port thing called now. Like that's the new charger. So it's not really the charger. This actually goes into the side like that. The charger is like right here, but it goes into the side, and then it has all my everything that I need. So I have the card slot, so I can really just take the card out my camera, put it in right there. Then I had a Bluetooth mouse right here, and then it's my hard drive, just like that. And like I said, I got it with some Velcro on the back. So really, when I'm on the go and want to go completely mobile, I just flip it over, attach it just like that until it kind of click, and then bam, now I'm standing up the whole time, literally like a little kid, just over here doing what I got to do. And it flips, it goes into tablet mode, like whatever mode you need it to go in. Then literally, like they have a button called tablet mode, to where the whole device, like it functions as a tablet at that point. So you literally looking at a damn iPad or whatever it is. But it does kind of shrink everything. But yeah, it just turns into a whole tablet at that point. So you can go back to reading books or, scrolling on Instagram or whatever it is that you do, scrolling, on the internet. And the whole desktop just kind of flips with it. So it's definitely a dope device. Definitely worth the price. And it definitely does get the job done, regardless of whatever Best Buy or whoever the hell else is trying to stop me out of it. So that's my review on this. I definitely suggest getting it. Especially if you're on a budget. If you're on a budget photographer, I definitely suggest, grabbing one of these. Again, with the Lightroom and Photoshop type thing, you probably could just get the subscription, which I did. It's only like $9.99 a month. But, if not, there are sites and other ways out there the way you can bootleg it, but it's a big ass headache. So you might as well just go ahead and pay that $9.99. But again, great device, perfect for, editing and shooting on the go, and, just kind of being able to be more mobile with your shoots. So great device. I guess if I was to put a number on it, like out of 10, like I'm gonna pretty much get this shit I'll probably get like an 8.5 out of 10. Mainly because like if it was just like a little bit faster, it would hit like it's damn near perfect, bro. It just got to be a little bit faster for me, a little bit faster, and I'll probably give it a whole damn 10. So that's my review on it. Y'all stay tuned for the next episode. Oh yeah, subscribe like this. Subscribe to my channel, bro. And I'm gonna try to do stuff like this all the time.